Hi guys, my name is Varun and I'm back again on GetAssist, and in today's video I will tell you how you can check how many people follow you back or not. So to know the whole process, watch this video till the end, and yes, be on this video. So first of all, you need to go on Play Store and then you have to click on the search bar and now search the application Follow Unfollow app. So currently I'm just using this application, so I'll just click on open. Now you can see I have already logged in with my account. Now just click on this refresh. Once you're just logged in, just click on this refresh. Now this app will start analyzing your profile, in which the app will show you how many people do follow you back and how many are not. As you can see, in this month I have just lost 44 followers. I have gained 46 new followers. Don't follow you back, then I can click on this, and then here is the list how many people do not follow me back. I can unfollow them as well. For example, I don't want to follow this guy, so I'll just click on unfollow, and here you can see unfollow successfully. Now in the same way, you can see how many new followers are there who joined you this month and how many followers you actually lost. Now here you can see block you. There's a question mark. Now this application is a paid application, so that's why everything won't be visible free of cost. So you need to buy the subscription of this particular app to enable more features of this particular app. So if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, share with your friends, and yes, do not forget to subscribe our channel. I'll meet you in the next one.